whole bunch of people were asking how I did the ADS system using the ALS default camera system, and I'm here to show you. So, we're going to have at least, I think, 5 blueprints open. I already have them open just to show you. So, we are going to have the ALS camera BPI, the ALS base character, the ALS Animan, your base character, whatever, the one that you're going to be playing with, the camera animation blueprint, and then the camera manager. So we're gonna have these two, and then also these two here. So first thing we want to do is go to your ALS camera BPI, click on the FP camera target, and then we're gonna create another vector and name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name mine ADS, simple. And then we're going to go to the base character, and you're going to see that the function here is you just click here, and then you're going to get here, and you just want to get this socket location and just place it there, because we are going to overwrite it in this character. If we go over to the functions under the FP camera target, the overridden function, click that, you're going to also see that we have it here. What we're going to do is just get our skeletal mesh and get in is valid. Connect that there, and then connect that there. And if it is valid, then we're gonna get just copy paste, make it fast, and then we're gonna get ADS. Now the good thing is that in the M4, I believe, the ADS already comes in there, so you don't have to go in and place it in there already, because I think the creator wanted to do it, but he didn't get to. So you'll have this ADS socket on your weapon already, and from there, that's the socket that you're going to want to use for your ADS. So we have that done, and then we're going to go to your camera manager. You'll see that we have the ALS camera BPI with the ADS vector. Gonna pull off of that, promote it to a variable, connect it together, and we're gonna go all the way down to step 8. And then from here, we're just gonna widen this up. Just copy and paste this lerp. Connect the FP target to our alpha. Get the return value of the transform. Connect it back into that lerp. And then we're gonna copy and paste this. Connect the transform. Delete first person here, and then place weight ADS, just like this. And then for the FP target vector, we're going to replace it with the ADS vector. And that should be it for the camera manager. Just compile and save. In the camera behavior, you're going to get the first person blend pose. And from here, we're going to want to get the character info variable. So if we go to the rotation mode variable, we could drag it, get it, and then blend rotation, I believe it is. Yeah, ALS rotation mode. Just connect that back into there, and the default one is going to be our first person pose. So just place that on there like this, connect it to our first person, right click on the rotation mode, click on aiming, put that back up there, copy and paste, right click this, add curve pin, go all the way to weight ADS. Make our float value of 1 and aiming pose. So on the modify curve, you have to make sure that we have the wait first person, because if you have another curve, say, you know, I guess just the default mode, it's just going to go from third person all the way into the ADS. So for what we're doing here is, if we're in first person, then we're going to aim at the socket. If we're not in third person, we're not going to be aiming at the socket. So we have this going on. Get it to be a little bit more organized. And I think this is it. I think we're done. I am going to be providing the files for this in order for you guys just to download it, and you guys can look over this video just to see how everything works. So yeah, let's compile everything, save everything, make sure everything's compiled and neat. Okay, everything should be fine. So if we go play, rifle, we're in first or third person. There's no problem here. First person, we aim, and there we have it. And it will do it with any weapon that has the ADS socket, or whatever socket you placed on it.